Well, 50 years ago it was all teach, talk and chalk even. Within 2 months of me starting, the head of department announced we'd got permission to offer the ACCA course on a full-time basis. Maybe naively I said, shall I draft some timetables? And he said, excellent, yes. How he interpreted that is, the ball's now in your court. We offered classes for all 5 levels, and we had viable class sizes, viable in 1973 terms. That year we had 54 students, the next year we were up to 100. Within just a few years we were up to 200, so the course became exceptionally popular, with students coming from England, passing other colleges which were offering ACCA tuition, and coming because we were known for our reputation.
Dyn ni'n falch iawn o'r berthynas rhwng ACCA a Prifysgol De Cymru. Mae wedi rhoi cyfleoedd anhygoel i cenhedlaethau o gyfrifwyr dros De Cymru ac ymhellach i ffwrdd.
So I joined the ACCA team in 1999, so there've clearly been an awful lot of changes during that time. I think probably the main change has been the use of technology. Our classes are mainly taught now face-to-face, but students, if they're unable to attend a face-to-face class, then they can come to the class and join virtually. The classes are all recorded so they can catch up or revisit the classes.
I think it goes without saying that the staff here are really loyal. They've been around in South Wales for an awfully long time, all of them, like over 20 years. And so they understand the talent pool in South Wales. They understand some of the issues that are kind of niche to South Wales, and they're always there for like trusted guidance. So they've been a really big part of my career as well.
So mae'r tîm dysgu fan hyn yn rhoi y cefnogaeth gorau i'r myfyrwyr, a mae'n falch iawn wedyn ni i gweld yr hen myfyrwyr a'r cyn myfyrwyr yn siarad mor dwym am y profiad gyda nhw yma yn y brifysgol a trwy'r cymwyster ACCA.
On my final exam sit-ins, I achieved highest worldwide for my advanced financial management results and highest worldwide for average marks for the strategic professional papers. To achieve something like that is unbelievable. I still can't quite believe it now, to be honest with you.